If you are using Taskip for invoicing, you want client to pay directly through the platform. Let me show you how to connect Stripe in 3 quick steps. Why Taskip plus Stripe? Here is what happened. Once you Stripe is connected, every invoice get a payment instantly. Stripe process Taskip updates invoice status automatically. No manual follow-up, no chasing payments. Step 1, get Stripe keys. First, go to stripe.com, log into your account. Once you have logged in, go to settings, click on developers, then click on manage API keys, click on create a secret key, give it powering and integration you built, then click on create secret key, give it a name, create, copy this secret key. Step 2, connect Stripe to the Taskip. Now go back to your Taskip workspace, go to administration, settings, payment method, click on, now paste the secret key you have just created, get back to the Stripe, copy the public key, add it here. Now it's time for configure webhook. Get back to the developer again, search webhook, click on webhook. Now scroll down, search for invoice events, select invoice paid, invoice payment failed, invoice payment underscore success, then click next, select webhook endpoint, continue, give it a name. Now for the endpoint, get back to the Taskip, copy this URL, back to the Stripe, paste, click on create destination. Now go to any of your invoice, click on invoice edit, select pay with Stripe, click on save change. From here you can send it to the client or complete the payment, or you can click on publish now. It will create a public URL which can be accessed by anyone. When a real client gets an invoice, they see the exact same payment button. They enter their card details, payment go straight to Stripe, Taskip recorded it, invoice closed automatically. No payment chasing, no manual entry, everything sync in a second. That's it. You are now accepting payments directly in Taskip. Start with test mode. Once you are confident, switch back to Stripe live mode. Your first payment is one click away. Thank you so much for using Taskip. See you in the next video.